Morning everyone, welcome to your last maths lesson of the week. And today we're going to build on what we did yesterday. So yesterday we were subtracting proper fractions, and today we're going to look at subtracting a proper fraction from a mixed number. But again, within the whole, we're not going to start crossing that whole boundary until next week. I'll save that one for you to look forward to. Okay, so let's put this into context. Today I'm going to make some brownies. Okay, love a brownie, and I need chocolate bars to chop up and put in them. And I've got 1 2/3 chocolate bars in my baking cupboard. I'm going to use half a bar. So I need to take that away. I won't have it less. I'll have less left at the end than I did at the start. So it's a subtraction. How am I going to work that out? Right, think back to adding when we were using mixed numbers. And the first step is always to partition the whole, the integer, from the proper fraction in the mixed number. And this is why it's really, really important that you are following the method that I'm teaching. There are lots of methods you can use, but at the moment I need you to follow the methods I'm teaching because we're going to use them as we go through the steps. Okay, you know if I've responded in your feedback saying please follow my method. Right, so I'm going to do exactly the same, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say that's 1 plus 2/3 minus 1/2. Perfectly equivalent number sentence there going on. Right, we're going to do the same as we did with the addition, and we're going to park that number. For now, it still needs to be in your calculation, and each time, each step, it's still equal. So remember your equal sign. Okay, so I've got 1. Now I've got 2/3, that's a positive amount, look, plus 2/3. Remember the symbol before the value belongs to it. So I've got 2/3, it's a positive 2/3, and I'm taking 1/3 away. So it's a straightforward subtraction of proper fractions. So I'm going to add on, and we need our common denominator. We know that's 6 by now. So I'm going to add on 4/6, and I'm then going to subtract 3/6. Okay, so we've got 4 of those, it's positive, we're adding them on, we're taking 3 away. I'm not going to put the extra step in because I think you can all see now that we've got 1 whole, and if we've got 4/6 and we take away 3/6, we've got 1. I don't know where I've got 4 from. I do, I've looked at that. Sorry guys. See, always check that your answer makes sense, because when I wrote that I realised that didn't make sense at all. I've got 1 and 1/6. Okay? So it's no trickier than yesterday at the moment. I'm going to do another one to show you. So you've got 2 models. Please remember, if you can't remember how I set it out, go back, watch the video again, and make sure you're following it. Right, so this time I'm going to have 2 1/4, and I'm going to subtract 1/5. Partition my mixed number, 2 plus 1/4, 2 1/4, minus 1/5. Get that 2 parked up. I'm not going to draw a square around it anymore, but we know we're just leaving that for now. So I've still got my 2, and I'm going to use a common denominator of 20 because that's the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5. Five 4s are 20, so that's 5. 4 5s are 20, that's 4. And I am subtracting the 5th, or the 4/20. So my answer is going to be 2, and 5 minus 4 is 1, 1/20. Okay, you've got these. Straightforward, use the model, lay it out the same. Obviously, you don't need to start new lines as often as I do. I've got a very narrow flip chart. There's plenty of other work for you to be doing. Today you can do the Do It 1 on the Fractions Practice 2 document, and there's still the challenge, the fraction pyramids from yesterday. That's still ongoing. All right? Have fun, have a lovely weekend. See you soon.